Today, the 22nd of August, at 10 a.m., my faithful Dober&Man, our young dog walking assistant, and I snatched two bored Staffordshire Terriers from our neighbors and took them for a walk. In fact, we walked exactly 14 kilometers with them across rough terrain, practically non-stop, and it took us 6 hours. We hope this has inspired you to go for more walks with your pets.